Welcome back to my channel. My name is Liz, aka She's Also Thrifty. Happy Tuesday, y'all. I just got done eating lunch with Bradley and I have to be at work at 3. It is 1:07, so I decided to stop by some thrift stores on my way to work. So let's see what I can find. Let's go. $2. Oh, this is so cute. I do not know why I like these. Zero idea. Those are pretty cool.
Looking forward to seeing you.
Might have to comp. What y'all think? Anyway, she's just sitting here. Police line. Give him a card.
No, you just set it right here and we'll take care of it. No, we don't. You're right up there.
I'm gonna get it. Now it's time for me to go through everything in my cart to make sure everything is to my standard, but I found some good stuff. This is the computer taking set, cards, plates, and everyone. Different happen. So cute. Those are so cute. Life. So it is 3:30. I made it to the shop 30 minutes ago. And I'm gonna show y'all what I found. Start with the miscellaneous stuff. Look at this cute pink Coach purse. So fucking cute. I definitely had a light pink version of this as a kid with the skinny handle and it detached with the clips. This fucking Stussy hat, like what the fuck? It's like windbreaker material and it's red fleece lined. World of Warcraft book. Resident Evil. VHS. Oh, I cannot wait to wear these shoes. Some denim jeans. Some doilies. Just so on stuff. Got me a mirror for my purse. Cute little pocket chain. Another book, Resident Evil. And I got these two belts. I got this black one with the jeweled rainbow. And then this brown leather one. Get into the clothes. Found the two-piece windbreaker sets. The pants to match. Sweater. It has leather shoulders. Quarter zip crew. Embroidery. It has cactuses on it. Different Aztec patterns. This women's Harley Davidson top, long sleeve. This shimmery purple women's top. I just like the shape of it. A Sturgis tee, Bike Week 2005. Got a William and Mary champion reverse weave crew neck. Super Bowl 2008, I forgot. I know it was the Patriots and someone else. Got this painting tee. I was a jack off at Bronco Billy Sports Bra and Casino. And the bag says property of XO Bronco Billy. This pinstripe wrap board, put it up. Embroidery on the chest. This 80s champion zip up hoodie. That's the ribbon on the side. This cute ass colorful windbreaker jacket cover. Sports Illustrated 3rd. And this Colorado quarter zip. And this nice rugby polo. This cute ass picnic basket. But yes, in the comments, let me know what was your favorite find that I found. All of the stuff will be available in the shop. Some stuff I will list on eBay. So check that out. I'll put the links in the description. Hope y'all enjoyed this Gone Thrifting video with me. Peace.